Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful day going by. So congratulations to those that dropped their numbers. I think I know the first people that came in on board. Ernest, Gibbs, Albongo, Gabriel, Sani Bolaji, Farooq Olamide, Mrs. Onaji. Mrs. Onaji, please drop your number. I think you were also part of the five people that came in so fast. So um you will all be, I think you just want yourself an airtime. So Mrs. Onaji, please drop your number. So we are all doing this to celebrate the customers. We are doing this to celebrate the customer service week for PU Prime. So we are doing to celebrate the customer service week for PU Prime. And we want to say happy customer service. Happy, okay, you are the one that is, you guys are the one that is supposed to wish us happy customer service, right? Because we've been offering you
Good
guys,
afternoon, sir.
please, Mrs. Onaji, please drop your number so we can credit you also. You're part of those five people that came in very, very fast.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, so those
WhatsApp number?
any number you want us to credit
Okay.
for you. So
Okay.
we'll do
Thank you
that.
very much.
Also
Thank you.
tomorrow
We
on
really appreciate you. We appreciate.
our various physical classes we are going to have also. So I just I'm not supposed to say it, but I think let me say it now. So our various physical classes, tomorrow's live session also. Okay, Chuku, I'm sorry. But we are going to add you guys to funded client group. Everybody that is here, all the numbers that has been dropped here, we're going to add them to the funded client group. Okay, so today, 9th of October, we are looking towards high impact news on New Zealand dollar. The New Zealand dollars did their
Sorry, sir. Please, are we to drop the number on this particular page?
yes, yes, on this Zoom chat. Yes,
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank
you're
you.
welcome. So official cash rate, New Zealand did their interest rate today and they did not increase their interest rate, though it was lower than that of last month and it was the same as predicted. So for 7 p.m. this evening, we are having FOMC minutes meeting. This also is an high impact news that can also drive the US dollar also by 7 p.m. And we also need to look at what's happening in the market. Don't forget, tomorrow we are having a live session for CPI. We're having a live session for CPI, live session by 1:30 p.m. Also by P-Price is going to be available by 1:15. We are going to be on seat. And also, we are also going to talk about what we envisage tomorrow. So if you have not been on our live session, the last one we did for the NFP, okay, so the last one we did for the NFP was profitable, which was handled by me. And I'm very sure people made profit. So tomorrow live session on CPI, we should also make profit tomorrow as well. Sorry about that. So we should also make profit tomorrow as well. So if you have not funded your account, please do that today or before top of the afternoon tomorrow so I can have access to get a seat. The link is going to be dropped and the link is going to be dropped so you can have access to get a seat to join our live sessions and all that. Last NFP we did was extremely profitable. People made profit. We had someone that made close to $1,000. We had someone made $300. So people have made as high as 1,000, and so people made as low as $3, $4, depending on the lot sizes they use. So that's that. So 7 p.m. today, we are expecting high impact news on dollar, FOMC meeting minute. So they're going to talk about what their projections would be. for today and also for tomorrow. So tomorrow, October 10, we are expecting major high impact news of dollar, also unemployment claims. So let's look at the chart. Having all this, let's look at our chart. Can everybody see my chart? Can you all see my chart?
Yes, sir, we can.
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, you guys are pumped up. Okay, you guys are pumped up because of the gifts we are giving out. Okay, just a minute. Please give. So sorry about that. We've started. Sorry about that actually. Okay, so let's quickly look at what we are expecting from the market. Okay, so for me, I would love to see market is currently at this strong resistance point, which is 102.375 area. And I would love to see what will happen around here. We have seen some kind of continuation patterns for US dollar around this level. If this current daily candlesticks closes bullish, then it means we could look towards, buying continuations for dollar to 102.8769. But if it closes bearish today, then we probably hope for price get to 101.759 for a proper retracement. So dollar is currently at a very, very strong resistance zone, a very, very strong resistance zone, although we have a rejection at this level. So with what I'm seeing, are you there? Hello? Hello? With what I'm saying, technically, I would love to say that dollar might continue its bullishness. So dollar might continue its bullishness from here, but we still also need to be very, 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 very careful because, this is a very, very strong resistance zone. So before we look towards selling, we look price should close below 102.280 region. 102.280 region should be area where price can close below. Okay, 102.280 region. So 102.280 region should be where we are looking towards market movement to the downside. Okay, so let's look at some pairs, USD CHF. So although USD CHF on a daily time frame, what I'm looking towards market at this rejection and also at this resistance point. So also market at this resistance point here at that resistance point. So 4 hours time frame also, we look towards some bearish sentiment on 4 hours time frame. But then we can see that this resistance zone, we have market at this resistance zone and we have a break of structure here. This could be a retracement up to this level. So we could have a retracement. What I'm just saying naturally, we are not fully settled. Market is not fully settled. USDX is on a very, very strong resistance point, but at the long run, it is having some bullish continuation pattern, which is not usually regular. Also, we are having some bullish sentiment, but price is still above this resistance. So we have a lot of resistance at the top for USCHF. So what I would just say is we back out from USCHF, we go to other pairs to see if there is any entry in the market. So let's go to GBP USD. So GBP USD is still rejecting this daily time frame of 1.30623 region, right? And what we are having here, we are having a rejection at this zone, this resistance point. Okay. So what is my bias? My bias is I'm still bullish. I would love to see more buyers coming in for GBP USD. I'd love to see more buyers coming in for GBP USD. More buyers coming in for GBP USD, right? So I'll see more buyers coming in for GBP USD. So GBP USD, we could look towards a retracement level, probably hopefully to 1.36, 1.30744. Yeah. Okay, 1.30744 is a very, very strong area for me. So I'd love to see a retracement to 1.30744 before I see buyers coming into the market. Oh, okay, okay. Let me be drawing arrows. Okay, so this is the zone. This is the areas I'm looking out for. So we could have price moving down to this. A further rejection at 1.30744 will give me more room to buy GBP USD. So currently, this is a retracement phase. We had a break of structures to this level, and we need a retracement down because market rejected this resistance point, right? So this level, 1.30744, will give me more room to buy GBP USD. So I'm looking forward to a sell to buy scenario and all that. Don't worry, we are on the market. We are going to give signals when we have good entrance to the market. So I'm looking towards 1.30744 for a proper retracement so that we can take a buy entry for GBP USD. So let's look at gold. Gold on the other way around, right? So we are having price at this resistance for gold. This is the near resistance, 2588.83 region. But yesterday candle, we have a rejection at this level at 2620.3832 region. And as you can see, this level also poised to be another strong resistance zone, right? And market is trying to reject that line. So we have a double rejections. The only issue we could have for gold is if market breaks through this level. So if market breaks to 2620.32 region, we can look towards buying gold. Okay, so looking at this level here, 2612, hopefully on 30 minutes time frame, we could get something tangible. Okay, there's nothing tangible there. I mean, if I see a current rejection, then probably we could take a buy stop order on gold. We'll take a buy stop order on gold. Look forward to here. Buy stop order. TP1. TP2. Stop loss. So I'm looking towards this zone. We could look towards, if this current candle closes bullish, then I'm going to buy gold because gold has formed some reversal pattern around here, and we have markets forming double bottom at this strong demand zone. So I'm still monitoring gold. I'll look towards a rejection at this level. Once the rejection could occur, then I'll look towards buying gold. So my bias for gold is bullish, but we need to be very, very patient with the market. So we need to be very, very patient with the market. So let's look at some currency pairs. Look at gold. Let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay, so I gave a buy stop order yesterday for Euro USD. We might still maintain that buy stop. So looking at daily time frame for Euro USD, we have a rejection and price moving down to the downside. So I'll look at this level. Okay, so I'd love to see a rejection on Euro USD. I'd love to see a rejection. We have possible some rejections. We have a rejection here, and market trying to reject this level. But on 4 hours time frame, hopefully we might look towards selling, but this is an engulfing pattern, and 1 hour time frame, we might still continue selling Euro USD. So maybe we will shift the buy stop order to this zone. Buy stop order to 1.09795 region. One thing I'm seeing, it's Euro USD is still moved down very well before moving to the upside. Okay, Euro USD will still move down very well before moving to the upside. Then GBP USD is doing the opposite direction. So we still have to wait to see what is happening in the market. Actually, I've not seen anything tangible. I've not seen any good entry. The only entry I'm seeing here is sell for GBP USD, Euro USD, and we missed it out. So we have to wait to see what will literally happen in the market. Let's look at GBP JPY. So for GBP JPY, we are having a daily time frame, and the last daily candle closes with a rejection, and the rejection happens at this support level. So we have a rejection at this support zone here. So we have a rejection at this support level. Here, a rejection. Then 4 hours time frame. For 4 hours time frame, we look towards much more bullish sentiment for GBP JPY. Seeing something here, right? So bullish sentiment for GBP JPY. 1 hour time frame. So for 1 hour time frame, we're looking towards this zone. Well, what I would just see here is, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I didn't see any entry in this market. The only entry I'm seeing for GBP could be at 194.852 region. I didn't see any entry in this market. So market is just ranging, probably waiting for NFP. Ranging, probably with the NFP. Yeah, I would have said we should take a buy, but market is at a resistance, and I don't buy a resistance. It could be a trap. Okay, I don't buy a resistance. It could be a trap. As you can see, USJPY at this level, USJPY at this level. Can you see? So this is a very, very strong resistance zone. This is a strong resistance zone. So we still need to be very patient for the market. Yes, so I said it. I didn't see any entry in the market. We need to be very, very patient for the market to react and give us where it wants to go. So tomorrow is our our CPI. So you have to be available tomorrow on the live analysis session. Also, tomorrow is our live class as well. So let's try and be punctual so that we can be there for tomorrow's. Have a wonderful trading week, everybody, and happy customer service. Congratulations to those that won the gifts. I think you should have received your gifts today. Somebody said AUD card. Let's look at AUD card. AUD card. Looking at AUD card, we have a rejection at bottom. Also, we are looking at rejecting at top. AUD card is rejecting this zone. I'll be bearish on AUD card because the order of flow is bearish. So I'll be bearish on AUD card. Do you have an entry? Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. We don't have an entry yet on AUD card. Let me see. Maybe we could use a sell stop order. No, I want for the trap. So AUD card, please let's be patient for the market. I'm looking at bearish scenarios, but there's no entry at that. Okay, USD card, let's see. Something is wrong with USD card. We are still bullish to 1.37075, but there's no entry yet. Okay, so we'll still buy to 1.30775, but there's no entry yet. Okay, because we have this. Yes, so we have a support become resistance. And market continue moves to the upside. So USD card is still bullish, but I'm not going to enter at the moment. USD card is still bullish. Hopefully we could see a new entry here. Okay. But I'm still very bullish on USD card. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Market is not stable. We don't have any entry yet. I think the market is getting set for tomorrow's CPI to tell us the direction. And we are going to trade the live CPI. If you've not funded your account, please try and fund your account so you can have session. Let's be on hold first. I didn't post the signal. I only said we could have. Okay, I only said we could have. I only said we could have. I only said we could have. Okay, so let's be on standby and see how it goes. Okay, so what's the minimum deposit for funding? We could fund tomorrow for tomorrow. We could give you $50. You could do a $50 deposit funding. We could do $50 for that. You do a $50 for that. Okay, so thank you very much, everybody. Have a wonderful trading day. We are going to send signals to the funded client group, and all the numbers here are not on funded client group. We are going to be added for about a week before we do that. Have a wonderful trading day, everybody. Good afternoon.